In this video, I want to show you how to create a home page menu that looks something like this, or you can create something very custom that is different from the rest of the site. So for example, you can see here, this is the sort of the front page. Then if I click commercial or I go into one of my other galleries, it's going to have a different menu and a different look. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to start off by clicking on website and go to my home gallery right here. Now this is what I've already created. Let me walk you through some of these settings. So first thing you want to do is pick your theme. To create a look like this, you just click theme and you go to single. This is going to create a slideshow. Just like this, it's going to create that arrow, so it's going to have a slideshow look. But then what you want to do is click adjust theme, and you can actually, you can make this smaller if you'd like. But for this look, we're going to go to image size 10. Just right there. And don't worry about image spacing or top margin. Top margin is basically that. You want this to be full screen. Okay, so now that you've picked, your full screen look, now just click on the menu. Move that over. Just click on the menu, edit menu. You're going to go over to menu style. Now, I already have this styled. I'm going to show you what it looked like before. So before, it literally just looked like this, and it was on a default menu. So this is the default menu that's on the rest of the site, okay? If you want to create a custom menu for the home page or for any other page, just go to this underneath the menu style drop down, click the default menu and go to custom menu. Okay, so now this is going to be completely different. It's going to be a completely different look from the rest of the site. So you're going to click a left menu here, and I'm going to click left alignment, and then I'm also going to bring the opacity down, just like that. So bam, all of a sudden opacity is down. You want to make sure that your background image works well with the text. Then you can increase the size, something like that. You can change the margins. You could even put this up top, and you can change the size, bring it down like that. Margins in, all sorts of stuff. For now, though, we're going to go left alignment, and I'm just going to bring that in just a little bit, just like that. Okay. So once you've done that, you can, let's see what else we have. Fonts. You can change your font. You can make it bigger, smaller to create really cool looks. Obviously, that's way too big, but it is kind of interesting. So let's try this. I'm going to go to menu style and increase the size, okay, just to show more of that right there. Okay, and then I'm going to go up to logo and increase the logo size. So, it's interesting, right? Something cool like that. So that's a cool menu that you can have on your page. And then it can turn into a slideshow just like that. Okay. Now the last thing that you need to do if you want a look like this is you need to change the image hovers, because by default, so I'm going to hover over this image, click edit, and I'm going to go down to image overlays. By default, this is going to have a hover that looks like this. Okay. See when I hover over the image, and you don't really want that because it's kind of distracting for a user. So what you got to do is, once again, click edit, go into image overlays, and turn the opacity all the way down on the default section, and then go to hover and make sure that it's also all the way down. And you're going to want to do that to the rest of your images in this gallery. Now to add images to this gallery, very simple. You go to your floating toolbar over here. You can go add work. It'll pop up this modal, and you can click done and add work. And then you can adjust the actual slideshow itself by clicking edit and going, let's see, where's that? Over here to image details. And this will show you all of the images that are in your slideshow. You can also add slides from here, and then you can do an auto scroll. So this could be like a 2-second auto scroll, something like that. See? And then there's actually a pause button here. It's hidden by this little in-app chat box. But user can also pause. Okay, so there you go. That's how you create a really stunning home page.